Help your audience see your story your way by adding an image. Here's how. With your presentation open in edit mode, find where you want to add an image, choose Insert from the top menu, and then select Image. Next, choose one from your hard drive and then click Open. Once it loads, you can rotate it holding the Command key or Control key on Windows. You can resize it by dragging one of the corners, and you can move the image just by clicking on it and dragging it wherever you'd like. And if you need to update an image, no problem. Just find the image you want to change, right-click on it, and then choose Replace Image. It's that easy. One more tip. In Prezi Next, you can also insert a PNG image with a transparent background when you need it. Like that. Now start adding images that help you tell your story. And after you've added one, check out our other tutorials to learn how to add other content in no time.